Hello everyone. First of all, thank you for coming to my channel. Today, I would like to share with you how to make a bootable USB and save your computer. In the past, Microsoft Windows was installed by disk, CD, and DVD. However, the most laptop doesn't have CD-ROM these days. So, we need extended installation media, and then bootable USB has become the solution. So, what can we use bootable USB? The most important is when your computer no longer stops itself, maybe because of a virus or some problem, and also to upgrade from Windows 7 or 8 to Windows 10 or 11. Then, how can you make a bootable
Yeah, I'm
USB?
about to fade
You have
away.
two
Cause
methods:
every time I
by
wake up I
using
feel like it's
automated software
Monday. Something's going wrong with all the
and by
chemicals
using
up in my
command prompt
brain.
by
All of a
yourself.
sudden I don't look at
Whatever
anything the
option you
same
use,
way.
you
Gotta
will
build
always
up of
need a
my
USB
thoughts
device
sitting
with
in an
up to 8
ashtray. I'm
GB.
sorry that I'm
And take
so
care,
inconvenient,
if the device
okay?
is being
Just let me
used,
be
make sure it
me
doesn't
and I'll stay
contain
out
any
of your
important
way. I
data.
can see the way
The
you
first
look at
option
me, I'm
is an
such a
easy and automated
disgrace. I
method.
never really asked to
First,
be
go to
brought into this
google.com
place.
and
You
search
wanna
for Windows
love
Media
me? Well then baby
Creation
have a
Tools.
taste. All the
And here
highs and
you
the
will
lows,
see
no you'll never be the
Create
same.
Installation
I don't
Media
really wanna
Microsoft
hurt you,
Support.
but I can't
Go
control
to
the
the link
pain.
and
Just
there you
keep
may
it
see
by my
Windows
side,
7,
maybe we could be
8.1,
okay.
10, and 11.
Okay, maybe you could be the
Unfortunately,
change I
Windows 7
need
is no
today.
longer
I
supported by
promise that I'll
Microsoft,
never
and also we
felt
cannot
this
use
way.
option
I
1
really
for
hope that
Windows
you will
8.1.
choose to stay through
Windows
all
10
the
and
pain.
11 have been made automatically with software. Okay, let's go to Windows 10. Go to Create Windows Installation Media. Click Download.
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Okay, after download, find the tool.
As you fade away.
And the software will work in the alternate tab.
I need help, I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell.
And scroll
Like
down
nothing
to
I
the bottom
felt, my mind overwhelms. I think
and
that I'm
click
broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not
Create Installation
perfect, but
Media
some days I feel far more
and click
worthless.
Next.
Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose.
And
It's
also
all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Go to your computer.
I know you told your
Here you
friend
see,
you're not okay.
you can
And
see
tell
the
me
data
what's
file
wrong and why
and
you
that's
never
it.
said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
So here is Windows 10 installation, and by using this USB you can install Windows yourself.